Good morning class. In this video we shall be studying standard 7th grammar. Lesson number 1, kinds of sentences, a revision. All these kinds we have already studied in our earlier class. Today we will do revision. First of all, let us see what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words arranged in an order to make a complete sensible sentence. In short, we can say, what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. We know what are alphabets. What are alphabets? A, B, C, D, E, F, G till Z. Right? Now, what is a word? A word is a group of alphabet which gives us a certain meaning. Alphabets को मिला के हम words बनाते हैं और words को मिला के sentence. But sentence is that group of words which gives us a sensible meaning. For example, if I say, I am going to school. This is an example of sentence. Why it is a sentence? Because it is making a sense. It is telling us something. Sentence meaning दे रहा है कि मैं school जा रही हूँ. But if I write school going to I am. Here also same words are used, but they are not arranged properly. So we cannot say that this is a sentence. Understood the difference? Sentence क्या देता है हमको? Meaning देता है. Now let's see kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. First is statement, second is interrogative, third is exclamatory, and fourth one is imperative. These sentences can be either affirmative, that is positive, or negative, and all sentences begin with a capital letter. First of all, what is affirmative sentence? Affirmative sentence is that sentence which does not include negative words. Negative words are like no, not, never, nor, neither, etc. Affirmative sentence वो सेंटेंस है जिनमें निगेटिव वर्ड्स नहीं आते हैं, ओके. और निगेटिव सेंटेंस वो सेंटेंस है जिनमें निगेटिव वर्ड्स आते हैं. निगेटिव वर्ड्स कौन से वर्ड्स है? नो, नॉट, डोंट, डजंट, डिड नॉट, ओके. Now, first is what? First is a statement. A statement is a declarative sentence that tells us about facts. A statement ends with a full stop. Statement क्या करता है? हमको information देता है. Okay? It shows us fact. It is a declarative sentence. And it always ends with a full stop. और statement के end में हमेशा full stop लगता है. And how does the sentence start? Start कैसे होता है? It always start with a capital letter. Example given here are, first one is hard work leads to success. Affirmative. Why this sentence is affirmative? Because this sentence does not include any negative words. यहाँ पे no, not जैसे कोई भी words use नहीं किए गए हैं इस sentence में, इसीलिए ये sentence क्या है? Affirmative है. Okay, and you can see the first alphabet is a capital letter, whereas this statement ends with full stop. Second example is, we must not disobey the rules of the school. Here also the first letter is capital, whereas it ends with full stop. And why this sentence is negative? Because the word not is used in this sentence. That's why it is what? A negative sentence. Second one is interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. A question ends with a question mark. इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस वो सेंटेंस है जो हम क्वेश्चन पूछने यूज़ करते हैं और वो हमेशा क्वेश्चन मार्क से एंड होता है. इंटरोगेट मीन्स व्हाट? इंटरोगेट मीन्स टू क्वेश्चन. okay, question karna. So interrogative sentence is a question sentence and it's always end with a question mark. Example of interrogative sentence are, first one is, why is the class so noisy? First letter capital and it ends with what? Question mark. The first sentence is affirmative. Affirmative क्यों है वो? Because no negative words are used. Second example is she not coming to the party? Same. First letter is capital, ends with question mark, and this is negative because again the word not, not is used. Now third one is exclamatory. An exclamatory sentence expresses deep feelings. Such a sentence ends with an exclamation mark. Exclamation sentence is used to express our feelings, that is whether we are sad, happy, angry, joyful, etc. Okay, हमारे सडन फीलिंग्स को शेयर करने के लिए जो हम सेंटेंस यूज़ करते हैं वो एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस होते हैं. ओके, एंड एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस ऑलवेज एंड्स विथ एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. एग्जाम्पल इज, फर्स्ट वन, व्हाट अ फनी जोक. This is affirmative because no negative words are used and this sentence ends with exclamation mark. Second one is, oh, I wish I had not tasted that soup. Oh is what? A feeling. That's why exclamation mark is used after oh. And why this sentence is negative? Because the word not is used. Last one is an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence expresses a command or a request and it ends with a full stop. Imperative sentence is used to give any command or for request. हमें किसी को कुछ order या command देते हैं या किसी से कुछ request करते हैं तो वैसे sentences को क्या बोलते हैं? Imperative sentence कहते हैं. And it also ends with full stop. Example 1, please bring me some water. This is a request, right? Please bring me some water. Please मेरे लिए water लेकर आओ. So this is a request and this sentence is affirmative. No negative words are used. Second is don't move. किसी को command देना, right? Don't means do not. Don't is used. Negative word is used. So it is a negative sentence. Third one is let us go out. This is also a command, right? And no negative words are used, so it is an affirmative sentence. An imperative sentence does not have a subject. The subject you is understood or we use let us. In imperative sentence there is no subject. What is a subject? Subject and predicate. We know that. Subject is the main part whereas the predicate means we can say in short it is the remaining part. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Subject नहीं रहता है but indirectly we can understand that वो किससे ये sentence बोला जा रहा है. Okay? So how many kinds of sentences are there? There are 4 kinds of sentences. First is statement, second is interrogative, third is exclamatory and fourth one is imperative sentence. Statement gives us knowledge and ends with full stop. Interrogative is a question sentence, ends with question mark. Exclamatory is used to express feeling and it ends with exclamatory mark. And imperative is used to or give order or command or request and it ends with full stop. There are 2 kinds of sentence that ends with full stop. ऐसे 2 टाइप है सेंटेंस के जो फुल स्टॉप से एंड होते हैं. वन इज स्टेटमेंट एंड अनदर वन इज इम्पेरेटिव. वेयर एज इंटरोगेटिव एंड्स विथ क्वेश्चन मार्क एंड एक्सक्लेमेटरी with exclamation mark. Okay, hope you have understood this lesson. If you have any problem, do write in comment box. Okay, till then take care, bye bye.